Brands, companies, and organizations across industries need communication experts to create strategies and content for a range of platforms. Hi, my name is Iôna De Macêdo, and I'm the Vice Dean of the Bachelor in Communication and Digital Media at IE University in Spain. Our program allows students to develop the skills needed to create compelling messages for the digital age, building a bridge between creativity and business. Graduates will be ready to develop creative and meaningful ways to engage with consumers through well-researched, well-developed, and strategically executed communication projects. The program equips students with essential skills in brand communication, media and digital strategy, progressively building expertise in storytelling, research, and corporate communication. The Bachelor in Communication and Digital Media culminates in a capstone project where students apply the knowledge acquired throughout the 4 years into a project that corresponds to their career aspirations. Our students have the option of studying all 4 years in Madrid or spend the first 2 years in Segovia and the second 2 years in Madrid. Students also gain hands-on experience in our state-of-the-art media lab located both in Madrid and Segovia. Here, they will produce audiovisual assignments required for the program, guided by our expert staff, but they can also develop their own personal project with the assistance of our staff. What makes our program unique is that it gives students a comprehensive understanding and hands-on experience in all aspects of communication across many industries. Students will be able to customize a program through the 2 concentration options we offer. The corporate communication concentration focuses on advanced marketing strategy, business management, and sustainable branding. The creative content concentration hones the skills needed to produce engaging messages across different media. Students can choose the area that best suits their interests and career aspirations. The Bachelor in Communication and Digital Media is designed for creative and strategic thinkers with a global mindset. Whether you have a passion for storytelling and content creation or a strong interest in business and marketing or branding strategy, this program's for you. It'll prepare you for a bright future as a digital media strategist, a branding account executive, a marketing consultant, or many other exciting career options. Our students are highly sought after. Over the years, they have secured internships or jobs at top companies such as Google, Nike, Expedia, and Amazon. One of the most exciting things about the program is how the market is responding to our graduates. If you want to shape the future of communication and digital media, we are waiting for you at IE University.